This is the ZL1 single unit pistol safe. I've got 3 ZL1 safes and I absolutely love them. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. And my opinion is you're going to like this one. It's pretty sweet. So this thing weighs 10 pounds. This is a heavy duty, very sturdy metal safe. Weight wise, it's about 12 inches long, 9 inches this way, and about 2.5 inches wide. You can see there's some slots on the side here because they've given you a mounting bracket that comes with it. The mounting bracket, very simple to hang up. You've got 4 screw holes right here, and they've given you the hardware for it. You screw it into something solid, and then you can place it on either side that you want. If you want to mount it this way, you can mount it this way. If you want to mount it this way, you can mount it this way, or however you want to do it. Comes with a really nice set of very detailed instructions that are super easy to read and understand, but I'll go over that with you right now. Came packaged really nice and safely in styrofoam. Nice little box for the keys that come with it. And it's got some cool functions on here that I really like that the other ZL1 safes that I had didn't have. When you first get this, you're going to put the key in here, open it up. You can see it will fit 1 pistol in here safely. And I was able to put a Sigma 40 in here. It's the largest thing that I have, and it fits in there absolutely perfectly. And this thing moves great. A couple of cool things about it. One of the main things that I really like is that the battery compartment is really easy to access on this model. You just pull this slot down, slide this out, and it takes 4 AAA batteries. And when you put it back in, there's a little notch on here. It makes it super simple. So you just slide this in, close it, and you're good to go. When the safe arrives, it comes pre-programmed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the master passcode, and you're going to set that yourself. I'll show you how to do that. And also, you can program up to 20 different fingerprints in there. You can see it actually has a light inside of here. So when you open it up in the evening, you can see what's going on. And right underneath the light, there's a little thing that drops down, and there's a push button on here. So let's reprogram this real quick. You hold this button down for 1 second until it beeps. That's it. Now let's reprogram this to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it again, and it's changed the code. So the master passcode right now is going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simple as that. Now, once you've got this open, you do the same exact thing to program your fingerprints on there. So let's press and hold this down. It beeps, and about 4 times you're going to want to press your finger on here. Get at different ranges. It tells you it's accepted. We're done. Just going to hold it, and it's as simple as that. Just super easy to use. Another super cool feature that this has that the other safes I have don't have is this actually comes with a USB cable. Now, it's not a rechargeable device, but the cool thing is, let's say the power goes out, these batteries die. You know, oh no, now I can't get into the safe, it's dead. Well, you can actually plug the USB cable into this and it will power it up. Like I said, here's the batteries. It will power it enough to where you can access the safe. It's perfect, so you never get locked out of the safe because of that option. And I think that's just a fantastic thing to have. Let me pull it. Nothing. It's a great safe by a great company that I actually own products by and use on a daily basis. And this thing is going to be a fantastic item to just mount right next to my desk. I think in my office is where this is going to go. But pretty awesome. The ZL1 LT207F. Very nice.